I saw it too. I was up there. I saw it. You're alright? Yeah. Okay. This dude just got smoked by this guy in the truck down there. This guy right here said he saw the whole thing too, so he's gonna stick around. It literally just happened, so we'll see how far the cops are out. You gonna back it up? Alright. You're leaking hard, so I do it quick. Bumper's hanging off, dude. He got smoked. You can go around him. You want to let them go around you? Go ahead. You're clear. They're going to come and tow it anyways, aren't they? Yeah, just stick it where they can get it. You live far from here?
Live in Manic.
You got a ride out there?
I told my girl, yeah.
Okay. I just came from that way too. But
here's my business card. Has my phone number on it and everything. Me. If you need anything for it.
Thank you.
No
yeah,
problem.
same thing here. It's not. That's fucked up, dude. Fucked up his whole shit, dude. This is Route 32. Route 32 is dangerous as fuck.
What's up, everybody? It's the Constitution State here today. We were going home the other night. We stopped at Dollar General in Franklin on 32. The car probably did think he had enough time to turn. Most people are like, oh, you shouldn't turn left in front of people. I get that. But if you look at distance and you're like, oh, I can make this, and the dude's doing 20 or 30 over what you think he's doing, you're not going to make it. Guy was turning left into the plaza right above Dollar General, Franklin Town Diner, and got smoked. The guy in the truck didn't even hit his brakes. I don't even know if he saw him. And we were lucky that Troop K was there because the ignorant firefighters didn't know we were allowed to be there and couldn't keep their hands off of us. And we're lucky it wasn't Troop D. I mean, imagine if we got the same idiots from the other day. Oh, well, people are just saying you can't be here, so it must be true. Because we know Troop D is that dumb. I've dealt with this officer from Troop K a few times now, like quite a few, and he's always awesome. We had a rocky start, but we talked it out, and we figured out where each other were coming from, and ever since then, dude, I've always liked him. He's always professional. He's always nice. He'll show me what he's doing. Like, you can't complain. Route 32 is a dangerous road. People need to slow down on it or at least pay attention. Like, you can't speed and not pay attention. Those two things don't go good together. Let me know what you guys think of the fire department. Let me know what you guys think about the cops. Let me know what you guys think about the people involved in the accident. And let me know who you think was right or wrong.
Dude, he was going fucking pretty quick. Like, he really didn't even hit his brakes till he hit you. You know, you got insurance and shit? So you're gonna be it don't matter. It's not registered? You ain't gonna do shit. You get a ticket. But as long as it's insured, you're covered. I don't know who this guy is. Is this other driver? He's coming up.
You was flying, dude. Dude, what happened there? You was flying.
Dude, I wasn't flying. I was right in traffic, man.
You was flying, dude.
Dude, you're fucking full of shit, man. Dude, I was fucking driving straight down here. Cars in front of me. Dude, the car was right in front of me doing a speed limit. You fucking pulled right out in front of me, dude.
You was fucking flying.
Oh,
I got
dude.
witness. I got witness.
Yeah, nice fly, dude.
I'm
pulled
not
out in front of me,
trying.
man.
I'm not trying.
Hey,
I'm not trying.
what do you mean?
I'm not trying. They even gave me numbers from people that was here going into the Chinese food.
Oh, dude.
I'm not trying. I'm not trying. And we can talk to the cops. We're gonna leave it like that.
Yeah. Don't feed into it. Don't feed into it, because what he's going to try and do is try and get you all fucking aggravated and make you look dumb. I want to talk to this guy and tell him what he said. Yo! The fucking dude that plowed into him just came over and just started putting the whole shit on him and said, yeah, said he was lying. He's like, yo, I got people that seen it. He's like, oh, I'm sure you do. I just taped shit, so I was like, I'm taping this. Like, It's just, it is. Somebody just got here, I don't know who, but that dude's literally trying to be like, no, you pulled out. Yeah, he did pull out in front of you, but he gave you enough space, bro. And you just didn't hit the brakes. He said he wasn't flying, he was doing the speed limit.
He never even hit the brakes.
He hit the brakes as he hit him.
Yeah.
But he's trying to say it was all on him. He wasn't speeding.
Yeah,
he was with traffic.
Police?
Nah, a rescue is.
Yeah, the police are on the way.
You called?
Yeah.
Okay.
They're already on their way.
I just want to make sure somebody did. He said, fuck him. We all saw it. Typical fucking guy, dude. Oh, it's all your fault. It's all your fault. Look at where he stopped. He didn't even slow down till up there. Like he spun you out and kept going. For real, every fucking airbag went off. Every airbag. Did it hurt when it hit you? When it hit you? You're lucky. It's Route 32 right where it comes to Norwich, where you hit the highway's right there. That takes you to Bacchus. This is literally right before. And then I was checking on him. This guy's alright, so I started talking to him. This other dude's a witness. We're gonna go down there. Hey, yo. I'm gonna go down there and see what the fuck he's saying. And watch his ass. Yeah, I got you. Look at yo. Headlights. Like there's debris this whole way. I'm walking over glass and shit. Parts. It's not even like it's a big truck either. I can't tell if this dude hurt or what's going on. Here come the cops. I hear him. I like how the guy that got plowed gets no help. And they're all down here helping the guy that plowed him.
You're not hurt?
I wasn't involved. I just saw it.
Oh, you're not involved?
No. At least that kid's girl's gonna come get him. If not, I would have got him a ride back. I wouldn't leave him stuck up here. We're gonna get the footage we need so we can go back up there. Look at the whole truck leaning. But as you guys can see, he clipped him. There we go. There's our boys. Huh? I'm just somebody watching.
Oh, good.
I
Watch
saw
them over there.
I'm fine right here.
No,
don't
you're
touch
not.
me. Don't
Go
touch
over
me.
there.
Don't touch
Then
me.
get the fuck
I'm
out
allowed
of
to
here.
be right here.
Go out of
I'm
here.
allowed to be
You're
right
in
here.
a scene.
If it-
You're in a scene.
Who are you?
I'm the fire department.
Okay. So is that
you're
how
in
you
the
ask
scene.
people?
Go over there, please.
What's the distance?
Over there at the parking lot would be fine.
I'm not going to the parking lot. I'll go a few more feet back. I'll give them their space. They got a little investigation. Listen, I'm all right. I need to document this. I'm fine. Your scene is up there.
Sir, I'm asking.
All right. Well, then have the police come tell me. You guys don't do nothing. Yeah, he touched me. This loser right here in the orange. Hey, can you come here real quick, bud? I know you. Nothing. I'm allowed to film from here, right?
Yeah.
So why did this dude just come and fucking touch me?
Alright. Yeah, he's allowed to film.
Yeah. As a firefighter, he should really know that. No, I'm not.
But whatever. He's not really.
Hey, talk to me after. I want something done about him touching me. Just touch anybody, dude. I wear a firefighter suit so I can just touch people. I know that cop. He's the one actually, when the first time anybody ever freaked out on me, he's the one that yelled at me and blah, 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 and we had our words, but you know what? We worked out. Exactly, Lou. He just wanted to touch somebody that has a backbone. That shit probably made his shit hard. That cop's cool. I love that it was him. That's Troop K, guys. If somebody, well, we don't really need their info up, but that's what Troop it is. Troop K. You see him? Am I good here? Yeah, I was good up there. But I gave him a few feet, hoping he would be happy with that. That motherfucker said, no, the parking lot. What? You're in the scene. You're in the scene. This guy's still down, so he's got to be hurt. That was flying. He was literally flying. Oh, you like holding it in my camera, you fairy? Meh. Meh. Working for the state, you should really understand what the people's rights are. Instead of just whining. AE19970. That's who he is. That's his plate, so we'll figure it out. Did he move so the real people could get in? No, I wasn't. I saw it. I wasn't involved, but I saw it.
Oh, okay.
So if you guys need a statement, I'll tell you guys.
Yeah.
If you guys, he smoked the other car.
Okay, yeah.
And he's trying to act like he didn't, but
Which
the guy standing against the truck on the left, he came up to the other dude and was like, "It's all your fault," and told him, and we all were like, "We saw it."
Which way was he traveling on northbound?
Yeah,
This is
this
northbound?
way, yeah, because the car was pulling in and he hit him.
Pulling in where?
To Dollar General, the other vehicle, or this place right here, not Dollar General. This part, it happened like 100 feet that way. You can see.
Other car?
No, the other car's
so.
in the parking lot. He backed it up, but it's
Okay.
2 driveways down.
So he,
Which guy's the driver? The guy out here?
No, he's a passenger. The guy standing on the other side of the firefighter, talking.
The hat?
Yeah, yeah. That dude's been on the ground pretty much since I got here, which was almost immediately.
Alright. And then were you driving or were you just like in the area?
No, I was just coming out of the store, and I
Okay.
heard, I was, you know what I mean, just looking, and I heard, and
And then he continued driving?
yeah, he drove down from here, all like 150 feet, 200 feet.
Okay.
I didn't think he was going to stop, but he kind of had to.
Alright.
I don't think that vehicle's going to go much further, but the other car's fucked too.
Do you have ID and you just have to put in there as a witness?
Yeah, I'll give you it for that.
We gotta take care of this emergency. You know where the other driver is?
Yeah, he's let me
In
see.
the
I'm not
garage
sure.
door, please?
See that car with the blinker on? That's his car. He just hit up. That's not where it happened, but nah, it's no.
So he was pulling out of here and this guy just...
No, he was pulling in. He was
Pulling in,
taking a
okay,
left in.
okay.
Yeah, cause yeah, yep.
And then what's a good phone number for you?
Nah, 959.
Alright, perfect. Thanks, bro.
No, absolutely. I just don't want to see this guy get
Yeah,
fucked because
yeah.
this guy's lying. Like
Yep.
he came up all aggressive.
Okay.
It's like your fault, and the dude's like, I have 2 people right here that watch the whole thing. He's like, oh, you're lying.
Okay. If you need statement or something, we'll give you a call. but-
Absolutely, yeah.
Otherwise, you're
Yeah,
good.
no, I just don't want to see him get
Yeah.
fucked. So,
Yeah, no, I appreciate it. Thank you.
No, yep. Can I get your name and badge number?
Yeah. Basley is my last name and 758.
Okay, you guys are Troop K?
Yeah, it's okay. Yep.
Thank you guys. You guys are awesome. Look at that, guys. A fucking female cop. That's awesome so far. I mean, can't say she's a great cop, but she didn't start off with, hey, well, she did start off with ID, but there's a legit reason.
You saw the accident?
Yeah.
Where's the other car?
With the blinker up there on the left, that's him. Yeah, he backed up to get out of everybody's way. Thank you, too, for fucking telling that dude. That dude was touching me and pushing me. Yeah, dude. It's every time we have ignorant firefighters, it seems like we have this guy. That's right where it happened, right in here. There's headlights, there's all sorts of shit. Yeah, there's a headlight right there, there's a bumper. Can I get your name again, bud?
Oscar.
I have it, I just forget. Oh, the other guy left.
I haven't. I'll answer.
Smoked.
in a bad spot to get backed up because this is busy. It's a busy road. Look at this scene. There's a ton of cars down there. You can't even see them with all lights. 2, 3 fire trucks. 2, 3 state trooper vehicles. Oh, the clown that assaulted us left. I'm the fire department. I'm the fire department. Whatever I say goes. Luckily, we got some real uniformed state troopers here that know what's up. Lucky, too. Imagine if this was Troop D. They'd be trespassing me from the road. Oh, you can't be here. The firefighter said so. Seems like Troop D just goes off of anything. There we go. 3 fucking Troop K guys. Way better than Troop D. I just wanted to make sure you were straight. Like I told her, I said the dude came up, he was mad aggressive, trying to fucking tell him he's wrong and it's his fault and he wasn't doing this and that. And I said, but there's 2 people that saw it and there's probably more than that. I guarantee you that, look, there's a camera right there. I would fucking go inside and ask him about that footage. Because there's no questions asked with that. The other dude, the passenger, he had a passenger. His passenger's hurt.
Yeah?
Yeah, he didn't even go. When I got down there, when I told you I was going, the other dude, the passenger door was open. And the dude was just like crumpled on the ground. And then stayed there until they just got here and picked him up. They took him. When's your girl going to be here? She's probably stuck in all this fucking traffic. It's only like a 15-minute ride, depending on where, but...
I'm going to have to call the tow truck or they call it?
Ask him, because I don't know. Are you going to try and get it out, or are you just going to... Somebody online said they'll buy your rims. You got my number. Hit me up if you need anything. I just wanted to make sure you were straight. Like, I wasn't going to fucking leave you hanging. And if you need anything, hit me. Yeah, his car's on private property now. It wasn't. He drove it up here. That one was down there when I got here. The other one was facing out right here. He had to back up. The guy spun him all the way around. Completely around. And then he backed up and he pulled this way. We got signs down here. No, the driver's in the car. No parking, and I know right back there it's a 50. No speed signs, but Route 32, no parking. There was an accident. I just get lucky sometimes, and I don't know how. Literally, as soon as I stepped foot out of the door, I was looking, and it just, I was like, oh, sugar. I'm going over there. Because his car, like I said, was spun this way, and I don't even care, like, really about recording. I mean, I do, of course, but, like, I'd rather make sure they're safe. Recording is just a plus. Maybe the guy's delusional. Maybe he hit his head. You know what I mean? Maybe that's why he thinks he wasn't speeding and he stopped. I don't know. Oh yeah, airbags went off. Every airbag went off. Like, he's lucky. He's lucky he was a little more further than where he was. Because, I mean, yeah, he's on the other side, but that still would have hit him right in the passenger side door. That shit would have sucked. It probably would have sent him further too instead of spinning him.